Hey friends, welcome back. It is Joy with another video. This time I am sketching and painting a small little yellow house that I found on Pinterest. The photograph is saved on my Pinterest board, Sketchbook Inspiration, if you would like to try it yourself. It was a photograph taken by an Italian photographer, Marco, I'm going to say it wrong. I know I'm going to say it wrong. Carmassi. Marco Carmassi. I think a lot of times when I'm sketching or I find something that inspires me to sketch out, what I choose I think has a lot to do with what I'm going through. And this was a simple sketch, just something to fill up a page on a sketchbook as I tested out some mechanical pencils for a product that I received. So that's how that all happened. But I really did love this photograph for the simple lines, the simple colors, and the simplicity of the image. The white snow, the white sky, and the yellow pop of color centered in it. And this was just a really cool photograph I found interesting on Pinterest. I did speed up the sketching part, but this is the full process from beginning to end, sketch to the completion of the artwork. All in all, it probably maybe took me about 20 minutes to do the entire thing. Oh, by the way, make sure you do subscribe, make comments, like it, share it. That helps. I would love it too. I really do appreciate the attention. I really do appreciate that. I really appreciate you watching, and have a great day, and I will see you next time.